This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your morning hazardous weather briefing for Saturday, June 22nd of 2013. Well, we're still looking for continuing chances for thunderstorms across all of northern Michigan, and this is going to be for today and all the way through Wednesday of next work week. Now, severe weather is still not expected through this weekend. However, you can never rule out one particular storm getting strong enough to briefly become severe, but again, no severe weather right now is anticipated for any of these thunderstorm chances. Well, let's take a look at the current weather map. There is some high pressure off the east coast, but we do have a frontal boundary that is draped across parts of eastern upper northern Lake Michigan, stretching back into an area of low pressure that was around Nebraska and Iowa. Widespread showers and thunderstorms stretch from parts of Nebraska through South Dakota, southern Minnesota, and also into southern Wisconsin, which we're now trickling into northern Illinois. Looking ahead to tomorrow, Sunday morning, that low pressure will be up there in North Dakota and close to northern Minnesota. Meanwhile, a warm front will shove all the way through the western Great Lakes region and put northern Michigan into a very warm and humid air mass. The cooler air will still be well out to the west in Montana and Wyoming, but that will change with time, as we see here Monday morning, as the low pressure moves into Ontario and a cold front will begin marching eastward toward the western Great Lakes region. We are still going to be in a very warm and humid air mass on Monday. But by Tuesday morning, that front does blow through the region, but the frontal boundary itself does lay out close to the M55 corridor, pretty much bisecting lower Michigan, and that'll stretch back to the west to a new area of low pressure that we see entering the Dakotas. Now, the idea is here with that frontal boundary around it, there's going to be continuing chances for showers and thunderstorms, and also again Wednesday as this low pressure works its way into the western Great Lakes region and finally moves through by Thursday. But the main theme is going to be summertime warmth, because each thunderstorm chance doesn't look all that great. The best chance is really going to be arriving for Sunday night into Monday as that first front comes through. However, for today, it's going to be a pretty warm one out there again, especially in northern lower, with temperatures in the lower half of the 80s. In the meantime, there'll be some cooler readings up in eastern upper with some morning fog to contend with. Temperatures in the middle 70s will be common up in the UP. And again, you're also with that fog going to have some clouds that are going to erode to the day, leaving some sunshine out there for the afternoon hours, allowing those temperatures to warm. Now, recapping the hazards through Friday of next week, we do have that locally dense fog that's in eastern upper Michigan, and that is going to mix out pretty quickly this morning. And then also the thunderstorm chances for late tonight and early Sunday, and then again as we go through Wednesday of this coming work week. And again, severe weather, the most important part here, severe weather is not expected at any particular point right now. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.